shut the motor off. We're gliding. Is the red light still blinking? What do you want to say?
Hello. It's up.
Woohoo! We're clear up here, aren't we?
Yep.
We're pretty dang high.
Yep.
I'm gonna pull you down. That's pretty cool, huh, Joe? We landed out here in the desert. Hopefully we have enough wind to take off, huh, Dallin? Because look, we found all these bones. Dallin loves bones more than anything. Okay, and he's got the biggest one. I don't know, do you think we can put that in there?
I don't know.
That's a big one. That's a way big one. Okay, we're gonna try. Let's do it. Let's go hurry up and get set up.
I don't know how I'm gonna be running with that thing.
I know. It's gonna be hard, huh? Okay, you ready, Dallin? We want to run straight down the runway, okay? Okay, let's step back. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3, run! We just landed, but being a bonehead, I didn't turn on the GoPro, so they didn't get us, but this was our trophy that we got.
Yeah, I I
Yep.
got it.
And we did awesome.
The biggest bone that was there.
It was a really hard takeoff because we didn't have much wind.
Yeah.
So,
Big
yeah.
up and no wind.
Yep, it was pretty good.
Yep.
Yeah, we had fun at Monument Valley.
Uh-huh.
We've done 2 really big long tandem rides with Dallin. Out out there at the monuments, and we went all on the back sides of there, and we probably flew for a good, that was probably an 1.5-hour flight, that last one, and then the other morning we flew what, probably an 1.5 hours there. So that'll conclude our flying. We're going home tomorrow, aren't we?
Uh-huh.
And we had a blast. It was fun.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
All right. Woo! And Dallin did a whole bunch of kiting. It was awesome.
Yep.
Yep. Well, say bye.
Bye-bye.